Welcome everyone to the 6th race of the Marble Cup. Today we are at Sandy Street. The big wins and the long course. This one is going to be interesting. I averaged around 40 seconds, I think, on this course. Look at the standings. Balance Chugs has the lead. It's only 1 point, though, with Sands right behind. Mari's the only ever close one, up in 3rd place. We're going to be in the qualifiers now with Poe, Peter Griffin, Cookie, and Lightning McQueen. All of his marbles not doing the greatest in the standings, maybe except Poe, who won the last race out at Dropdown. Poe with the lead, Cookie up in 2nd, Peter Griffin in 3rd. Cookie's trying to take up 2nd place. Cookie currently in last place in the standings. Peter Griffin and Lightning McQueen are also doing not that good. Cookie trying to get to Poe to have at least a good qualifying position. Cookie is going to get 2nd place in this match. I don't know how that will go up to the overall standings. Peter Griffin and Lightning McQueen just did horrible. 42 seconds each. Two of the worst numbers ever in qualifying. I think the two worst numbers in qualifying in this entire season. Homer Simpson, Michael Gossi, and Hamlet are going to the 2nd heat. Homer Simpson currently in the lead. Hamlet is making up some positions here. SpongeBob is currently in 2nd. SpongeBob has not been doing really the greatest recently. SpongeBob only has 1 podium position to his name. That was at Moving Mountain, and has just done middle of the pack performances ever since. Homer Simpson wins this heat but takes 2nd overall by 1 full second. And next we have Avalanche, Chug, Sands, Peppa Pig, and Gru. Gru currently has the lead. Poe. Why was I saying Poe? I actually don't know. Gru, I think, is what I was trying to say. Has the lead. Sands is trying to gain him some positions in this part. A lot of collision happens. Avalanche Chugs now has the lead. And Avalanche Chugs winning in the standings. But we have seen kind of a pole position curse. And Marble who gets pole position was horrible in the actual race. That's why these qualifiers don't seem as important as you think they are. And that's what they want you to think. Avalanche Chugs still takes 2nd place, a full second between him and Poe. Mario, Scratch Cat, Toad, and Henry sticking to finish off these qualifiers. Will anyone be able to beat Poe's time? Mario's looking to be a contender here. He has a great lead amongst the 3. There's Scratch Cat you see in 2nd place. Toad now up in 3rd. Mario going to that drop area. And Mario will win his heats, but that's going to be close. Is that the new record time? Yes, it is. 36.597. That's the end of these qualifiers. Mario will be taking pole position. Again, 3rd place in the standings. With that pole position, he could be on the rise. Avalanche Chugs finishes in the front row. Sands finishes in the middle. And oh my gosh, we're laggy again. But we're going to start this race. Oh my gosh, this happened in race 3 where the race was laggy as heck. Might just be happening again. But it's currently Poe in the lead from what we see. Cookie's up in 2nd place, and oh my gosh, this is very laggy. Homer Simpson's up in 3rd. Cookie, okay, the frame rate's back good now. Cookie now has the lead. SpongeBob is now up in 2nd. Poe in 3rd. Sands is up in 4th. The Balance Chugs, you can see there, is looking to be somewhere around the top 5. But Cookie and Sands are actually in a tie going into lap number 2. This 11-lap race. It's going to be Cookie who gets the lead as SpongeBob now takes 2nd place. Henry Stickmin we can see there in 4th. Henry Stickmin 2nd place out at Droptown. Cookie, though, still has the lead with SpongeBob, who now actually takes the lead. SpongeBob getting only 1 podium in his career, Marble Cup. Here goes Scratch Cat up in 3rd place. Cookie, and also we're only one lap in, but has fastest lap currently, and the lead as well. Going into the elevator is going to be Cookie with a decent lead. SpongeBob, Scratch Cat, Homer Simpson, Toad we can actually see in 5th. Cookie's going to have the lead heading into next lap, lap number 3. Cookie still in the lead. Scratch Cat has gone in the 2nd place, actually. Scratch Cat 3rd place at Droptown. Would Scratch Cat get 2 straight podium positions after not having the greatest? Oh no. Cookie is now going to have the lead. Toad is now up in 3rd. Toad has gone really close to podium positions a lot of times before. Probably going to do it again, I'll say. And Gru, I see up in 3rd. Where was Gru before? Gru got in the back row in qualifying. He must have had pole position curse. Well, look at Mario, the Marble who got pole position. He's currently in dead last. Gru and Toad are fighting for 3rd place right now. Henry Stickmin trying to get in that battle. You know, it's a battle of Cookie and Scratch Cat for the lead. And it's going to be Cookie who's just going to stretch that lead even more. Scratch Cat, the new 2nd place. Henry Stickmin has now gone up into 3rd. And Mike Wazowski, I see, is that in 4th? Yeah, that's Mike Wazowski. And also Gru has fastest lap. I didn't even realize that. And see a lot of chaos can happen. A lot of those marbles I got in the front row in qualifying are currently in the bottom 4 who do not get points at all in the Marble Cup. Cookie has the lead. Sans has gone up in 2nd. That 2nd place will probably assure Sans in the new lead. But we don't know. Anything can happen here for Marble Cup. Sans, new 2nd place. And Cookie could be the first marble to get the max 26 points. We don't know. And Henry Stickmin is now the new 3rd place. From what we see, Cookie has a decent lead with Sans up in 2nd. That 2nd place could definitely assure Sans the lead. Henry Stickmin now in 3rd, Gru in 4th. Gru, I think, is the only marble to get 2 podium positions of the same position in this tournament. The footage getting a bit laggy now. Again, hopefully, please do not get crazy laggy. I think it's because there's a lot of marbles on the screen at once right now. I don't know who the camera's looking at. But they're stupid heads right now. Probably looking at Sans and battling Chugs finding a rivalry. But you can see in the scoring pylon some changes. Gru has now taken 2nd place. Gru, if he gets 3rd place, that'll be 3 straight 3rd places in a row. 1 at Triangular Turnpike, 1 at Jungle Driveway, and maybe another 1 here. You never know. Sans and Val and Chugs are in a rivalry. This rivalry right there could determine the championship at the end, maybe. But looking back at the beginning, looking back at the top, Gru has now taken the lead. Henry Stickmin, there's Cookie up in 3rd. Cookie's now gone into 2nd place. And there's Scratch Cat falling behind with the provisional podium positions. And Cookie still has fastest lap. I think Gru had it for a little bit. Cookie is now the new marble with fastest lap. Henry Stickmin's going to take the lead. Henry Stickmin's 2nd place at Droptown. Can he get 2 straight podium positions? We'll see. Here's Henry Stigman now up in the lead. Not Gru, Scratch Cat has gone up to those podium positions. Scratch Cat now actually has the lead among them. And it's going to be close between second and third place. Gru is now taking second place. Cookie is now also in the marbles in the areas of podium. And we find with Henry Stickman as we head into the 9th lap. So he's getting laggy again. So we'll have to make with that. Gru is still up in second place. Henry Stickman is not doing bad currently. But Cookie, you see there, is up in third. Cookie would have won a podium position. Again, last place in the standings with only 9 points. And also fastest lap, which would gain Cookie another extra point. We head into the penultimate lap. Sandy Street. Scratch Cat with the lead. And it's 1 full second as well. But we've seen that Sandy Street can be very unpredictable. Especially this part right here. Actually, it's not going to change much. It's just going to give Scratch Cat a bigger lead. And no, Gru had second place for a very brief amount of time. He takes it back. Hamlin has also got him to 5th place in this process. We've only been looking at the top 4 currently. Hamlin, I think, was very back of the pack. Now currently in 5th. Wait, look at the elevator crap. Gru is taking the lead into the elevator as we head into the final lap. Cookie's now in 2nd and Scratch Cat is now in 3rd. This is gonna have some chaos here. And it's going to be... Gru is also stretching that lead. Gru will probably get into 3rd podium position. And this one doesn't look to be another 3rd place. Gru looks to be winning this race. And Gru's in the elevator. He's done it. Gru will win Sandy Street in a chaotic fashion. Gru's done it. Gru wins at the Sandy Street race of the Marble Cup. Cookie 3 seconds behind. Scratch Cat, Henry Stickman. Sans Poe also takes fastest lap. SpongeBob, Balance, Chugs, Homer Simpson, Hamlet, Toad, Mike Wazowski, Peter Griffin, Mario, way down in 15. Peppa Pig will take last place again. The 2nd time that the Peppa Pig has taken last place in a race in the Marble Cup. That Peppa Pig with Gru. It's not that sad as Gru finally stand on the top of the podium. Here in Cookie, a great medal in 2nd. Scratch Cat also takes 3rd in this process. Oh, he's done it. With that 3rd podium takes the lead by 7 points. It's a very dominant lead as well. You can see the rest. I'm Jack Maples. Shocked, and I'll see you next time.